Ladies and gents, welcome back. It is the last day of the year. It has been a really exciting year. We've gotten a lot done. I quit my job, started full-time working out of the garage here. We've finished a lot of projects, had a lot of fun, but we have a lot more cool stuff coming, especially in 2019. Finally have gotten most of my paperwork back, so we're a legit business and whatnot. We've been looking at commercial locations, so yeah, we have a lot going on. But today, first things first, I need to take a ride down to AAA in Santa Cruz, so let's go for a drive. Well, before we get too crazy, sold a couple more things on eBay, so we gotta drop these bad boys off at the post office.
All over because she's a Ford, but still love it. Love it. Yeah. Alright guys, let me rant for just a minute. I just got the tag for my 2001 F-250. $360. Come on. This is why you don't want to move to California, and this is why everybody wants to move out of California, because they just keep raising the taxes, and the registrations just went up $50-some this year, and they're going to do the same thing again next year. And we have the most expensive gas in the country. I don't know what it costs because I never pay attention, but like diesel is like $4.30, but I can't remember what gas is. I filled this thing up, it was like half empty, and I want to say it was $30 or something. But still, ridiculous. That's my rant. Let's go back to the shop and be productive today. Just getting hammered early at Joe's. Holy. Let's see if they make it till midnight. I doubt it. The gas station is always popping though.
I need one of those. I need one of those big time. Nice 38-foot diesel pusher, extendable sides, tow a little trailer behind it, have your motorcycular and side-by-side or ATVs or dirt bikies. Just go drive around. It's gonna be retirement, hopefully. Boys, we're back. $360 later, we're back. And that's not even including the other thing that I wanted to do. I didn't have an insurance card on me for the 55. So I didn't even get to do that one. Just for the truck. Alright, so this guy here wants to go do some laps, huh, buddy? Huh, yeah. It's cold as heck out, but that doesn't stop him from having some energy. We'll put it that way. I'm too cold and old to be running laps. That's where Little Red comes in. Little Red. I ride this thing almost every day. I love this little trike. I actually rode the 250 yesterday. That thing runs pretty good too. First pull every time. If it takes more than one pull, you probably have to rebuild your engine. Oh, she's cold, boys. She's so cold. Get back. So cold. See, the creek is flowing a little bit, but we're actually pretty down on rain this year. We're only at about 16 inches, and normally we get 50 to 60 for the season, but we should be at about 30. We'll see what we get the next couple months. A little bit in there. Crazy when she's cold. Waiting for the mail lady to get here. I was supposed to have gotten 2 packages on Saturday. And they didn't deliver them. So before I say anything to Amazon, I want to see if maybe they just forgot. Oh yeah, now we're going, boys.
Watch out for a romp. Go on, buddy, get out of the way. Come on. Which way am I gonna go? Ah, just kidding, we'll go this way. Oh, running out of gas. So am I. That's what happens when you get old. Phew. Wheelies up the hill, down the hill, around the side of the hill. A little too steep right there. Careful, careful. Hold on, get away from the tire, dummy. Go on. The downhill wheelies are always fun too. Whoa! All the way back, 12 o'clock. Down and over the driveway. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. I'm getting tired. Running out of gas and I'm getting tired.
Alright guys, 2018 was awesome. The business grew like crazy and 2019 is looking really cool. I'm excited for the possibilities for sure. But yeah, 2018, we sure did a lot of bikes. I don't know exactly how many, but there was a lot. And yeah, 2019, hopefully we'll do more. And that'll continue to grow. The first bike out of the year is going to be the Bultaco. I was hoping that was going to be the last bike of 2018, but hey, you know, we're running a YouTube channel, not a TV show. Working with what we got, so it's going to happen. I'm super happy with this year. I'm going to be changing the name, and I got to figure out how to change the name on the channel as well, but I got everything registered and whatnot, so it's going to be Mason George Motorcycles. We got shirts being made. I'm going to do stickers, so pretty soon we'll do some kind of giveaway. I need to figure out how to do that. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that is pretty amazing. I love it. I appreciate all the love that I get and all the subscribers and whatnot. You guys are cool. But yeah, 2018, wild year. Lots of bikes, a lot of traveling. I think we did 18 states on our road trip, and then all the running around to get bikes and stuff. Tons of miles. That was a lot of fun. And 2019 is going to be even better. So, as always, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.